Oh, it's about to go down. I'm in the basement. In the basement. New bike, new bike, new bike, new bike. Old bike, old bike. She ain't gonna know where this bike right here stays forever. Forever. We'll see what happens with this one. I gotta get 2 more bikes. One for me, one for Kamari. This one's for Cordell. This one's gonna fire up, no issues. Just gotta button it back up, gas tank back on, clean that air filter, oil change the radiator fluid. You know what I'm saying? I got them tires coming in, brand new tires coming in, chain and sprocket. I got some handlebars for this. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on yet though. This don't need nothing. Probably a carb clean real quick. Got the Kx65 done. I got chain and sprocket and some new tires I'm gonna put on there, but I'm gonna let them get a ride or 2 in on it first before I do all that. It's looking clean though. Yeah. That's 65. This one, she don't really need nothing. I might get a new chain for her, but she good to go. Fire right up. Oh, I'm gonna repack that pipe. You know, got a new air filter coming for her. Probably get some tires. That's about it. Kamari about to be riding, boy. Back out ya. Change these numbers. You know his number's number 12. Gotta get rid of that 902. I don't know what that about. No, boo. I can't wait to dive into this. New plastics, new seat cover, new tires, new chain sprocket. Might have to repack the pipe. Pro circuit, full exhaust. I might buy some rims. New handlebars, new levers. Oh, I'm going in on this. It's gonna be nice. Nice. Let's get closer. You can see the junk. I don't know what they did to this thing. It's all out of whack. New piston. I gotta do a little rebuild on this. But YZ gang. Pro circuit exhaust, full system. I think they welded this fucking shifter on here. I can't get this off. There was no screw in it. Just can't get the motherfucker off. This fucking axle, I've been pounding on this shit. I just did all of that, flattening this shit out. I'm gonna need a new fucking axle by the time I'm done. I don't know why this shit won't come out. Pounding on it. This shit didn't even fucking move. With a fucking hammer. Like, this shit weighs a lot. Yeah, look at this mess here. Yeah. Yeah. She need a few things, but I'm gonna get it right, boy. Full rebuild. Bottom end, top end. About to get it going. The cylinder, surprisingly enough, was not damaged. Had a couple of rub marks in there. Might see about getting it home, but she good. Just need a new crank. Got that piston already on the way. About to order that crank probably end of this week. Let's get it popping. Yz125. That 50, she indestructible. She don't need nothing. Not a damn thing, boy. Little Miles about to be riding. Rap, rap, rap. Let's get it.